Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Nilufar and in this video I'm going to show you a small part of the famous store Ikea, or as Swedish people say, Ikea. I'm also going to tell you some interesting facts about Ikea, so keep watching, and if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like it. Ikea is a Swedish furnishing retailer founded in 1943 and was the world's largest seller of furniture in the early 21st century, operating more than 300 stores around the world. Ikea doesn't have very low but very affordable prices. They are mostly famous for flat pack ready to assemble at home furnitures. And why is it so famous? You'll find out the reason soon. So let's go to the interesting facts about IKEA. The first fact is that Ingvar Kamprad, who sadly passed away in 2018 at the age of 91, was just 17 years old when he launched IKEA as a mail order sales business. Fact number 2. The average size of an IKEA store is 300,000 feet. That is the equivalent of 42 tennis courts. Fact number 3. They sell entire houses. Yes, the company actually sells flat pack houses for a fraction of the cost of a regular home. No estate agent required. Fact number 4. More copies of IKEA catalog are printed than the Bible. The IKEA catalog goes out to over 180 million people in 29 different languages annually, compared to around 100 million Bibles. Fact number 5. More than 11.6 billion Swedish meatballs are sold only in the UK. Prad, the founder, first opened the restaurant in an IKEA shop in 1960 after he realized too many people visited the shop but left without buying because they were hungry. I think you have already found out why IKEA is so popular. You can find anything you want at this store. Just name it. You'll find it. Fact number 6. Why is IKEA called IKEA? IKEA is named after the initials of founder's name, the farm on which he grew up, and the village nearby. Fact number 7. An IKEA museum opened in 2016 and you can still visit it today. I leave the address in the caption for you. The world's largest IKEA store was in Stockholm, but recently the much awaited world's biggest IKEA store has finally opened its doors in the Philippines. They say that it's about 150 basketball courts. That big. Guys, you maybe have noticed that it was only one floor of the big IKEA. IKEA is almost like a small town, and if you want to do the shopping, you have to take at least 3 to 4 hours to walk and search in peace. I was not allowed, unfortunately, to film the whole store, restaurants, cafes, flower shops, and the other parts. But at the end, I want to seriously recommend you to taste the yummiest ice cream and special tasty meatballs there. They have also the veggie signature right now. Hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you found it useful. Take care, have a great time. Bye bye.